That was so much easier the other way.
This is not a tutorial.
This is not a tutorial. This is 3 idiots figuring it out.
Now we're recording. This is the guy that can do stuff with his hands better than me. And also behind the camera is Dylan.
Hello.
He's the Veloster owner.
Yes.
Where's your box cutter thing here? And your keep. Why don't you say that? Yeah, but Dylan's the one with the Veloster who has to cool their intake, so. Yeah. Okay, now recording. I can do a little bit of handheld motion here.
Alright.
So this is what you haven't been seeing because of the shitty camera angle. That's the air intake.
Yeah. Alright, so that's there. The big moment.
Heck yeah.
Oh. Putting that on.
Want to film it?
Yep.
Alright. You come out to where I was and I'll go back to where you were. Oh baby. Look at that.
Ooh.
Going that way. Wait, so what does this take? This is my head.
When you using these?
It's on. It's a little oily. I think that's on purpose.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, what's the next step?
You got the instructions.
That's gonna be redone in slow-mo.
You got the instructions.
Oh,
Check. Did that. So next, it's you get that tube.
yeah.
The tube by the paper towels. And you put that on the car.
The car? We're on the car. Don't throw it. We're on the car.
In the spot where the tube goes.
This bit?
Correct. Let me move this way.
That's always we're not playing music, but now I'm happy because I don't have to worry about copyright. And I got music in post.
Yep.
Yeah.
That isn't copyrighted. This is called a Typhoon intake system. Typhoon.
It was so much easier the other way.
This is not a tutorial.
This is not
Exactly.
a tutorial. This is 3 idiots figuring it out.
We should just make this a series where we do car mods. 3 idiots.
3 idiots.
3 idiots figure out how to install an exhaust. 3 idiots figure out how to install an intake. 3 idiots figure out how to tune a car.
All right, next step.
That one we might want to steer away from.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, I'm all right with that one.
Why?
So-
I'm gonna get a tuner. Then I get the exhaust.
Okay.
Just generalize.
23. Install the provided spacer onto the air box. So the spacer is this thing. That looks like it in the image.
Yep.
All right.
So that goes from, for the audience's sake, that connects that little L bracket right there, that little weird diagonal bracket.
I mean,
And then that
because
connects.
it's next to that thing that stuck up previously. Because that's the hose. It goes there.
That connects. It is very dark.
It's a light closer.
Yeah, thank you.
That's some interesting
Right
color.
there.
Obviously much smaller. No, we're fine. So we stick that in now? Stick it in? Alright, I want to stick it in.
So you slap it in and bam.
Yep.
Let me move this for you. Go ahead and angle it in. And then I'll kind of guide this in place. There you go. Alright. There we go.
You know what's gonna happen if I get pulled over and the cop says to pop open the hood after I mod it? He's gonna be like, that doesn't look legal. I'm like, hard sticker. So, the battery died of overheating, and now we have the intake in. Huzzah. Everything's tight. We give it a little wiggle. It does. Barely wiggles. Barely. And now we are doing with this. This replaces this piece. So it goes here and here.
Alright, now,
Now it has expanded greatly.
this piece, yeah, that piece has to somehow get onto that. And I know it's supposed to make a weird ass turn. Alright, that in? Alright, so, here are the instructions.
If anyone deserves the most amount of credit, it is this man,
Yes.
right? It is this person.
This man
It is Nick
has done many good things.
at Lego Maniac 101. By March, we'll have his own Mustang. You'll be seeing vids of him modding his car. 141, 141.
I've always said it as 141. So
141. It's different. Okay, be okay with it. What's next?
Reconnect the thing that you already reconnected.
what?
That thing.
The mass airflow sensor.
Yes.
Oh yeah. That,
And then,
A while ago.
and then you do the basic checks.